Looking at the MSC Magnifica, this ship has been turning heads in the cruise world since it first set sail in 2010. What makes this vessel particularly interesting is how it manages to pack so much into a mid-sized frame while keeping things affordable for everyday travelers. The ship measures 964 feet long and carries about 2,550 passengers when full, making it large enough to offer plenty of amenities but small enough that you won't feel lost in a floating city. MSC designed this ship as part of their Musica class, and it shows in every detail from the elegant Italian styling to the smart use of space throughout. When you step aboard, the first thing you'll notice is the stunning three-story atrium with its crystal chandelier and sweeping staircases. It's the kind of entrance that makes you feel like you're walking into a luxury hotel rather than a cruise ship. The design team clearly put thought into creating spaces that feel both grand and welcoming. The cabin situation on MSC Magnifica offers something for pretty much every budget and preference. Interior staterooms start at around 140 square feet, which might sound tight, but the clever design makes them feel more spacious than you'd expect. These rooms come with twin beds that convert to a queen, a decent-sized bathroom with shower, and enough storage to keep your belongings organized during the cruise. Ocean view cabins bump up the space slightly and add that all-important window to the outside world. There's something psychologically comforting about being able to see the ocean from your room, even if you're spending most of your time exploring the ship. The natural light also makes these cabins feel significantly more open. The balcony staterooms are where things get really nice, measuring around 180 square feet plus a private balcony. These rooms feature a sitting area with a small table and chairs, perfect for morning coffee while watching the sunrise over the water. The balconies themselves aren't huge, but they're perfectly sized for two people to comfortably enjoy the sea breeze. At the top end, the suites offer genuine luxury with separate living areas, larger bathrooms with bathtubs, and significantly more space to spread out. Some suites even include butler service, which adds a nice touch of pampering to the cruise experience. The suite bathrooms feature marble accents and premium fixtures that wouldn't look out of place in a five-star hotel. One practical note about all cabins is that they come with European-style outlets, so American travelers will want to pack adapters. The air conditioning works well throughout the ship, which is crucial when you're sailing in warmer climates. Storage space is generally adequate, though you'll want to pack strategically if you're staying in an interior cabin. The dining scene on MSC Magnifica deserves serious attention because it's one of the ship's strongest features. The main dining rooms, Villa Borghese and Villa San Martino, serve up impressive Italian-influenced cuisine with international options. The evening menus change daily and typically include several pasta dishes, meat and seafood options, and vegetarian choices. What sets MSC apart from some other cruise lines is their commitment to authentic Italian flavors. The pasta is made fresh daily, and the pizza served around the ship actually tastes like it came from Italy rather than a frozen food warehouse. The gelato bar near the main pool serves genuine Italian gelato that rivals what you'd find in Rome. The buffet restaurant, La Pergola, spans multiple decks and offers an impressive variety throughout the day. Breakfast includes both American classics and European options like cold cuts, cheeses, and fresh pastries. Lunch and dinner feature live cooking stations where chefs prepare pasta, stir-fries, and grilled items to order. For specialty dining, the ship features several restaurants that require reservations and additional fees. The steakhouse serves premium cuts of beef along with lobster and other upscale options. There's also a sushi bar that's surprisingly good for being in the middle of the ocean, and a pizzeria that serves authentic Neapolitan-style pizza throughout the day. The bars throughout the ship pour quality drinks, though cocktails can be pricey without a beverage package. The wine selection leans heavily Italian, which makes sense given MSC's heritage. The sports bar offers a more casual atmosphere with large screens for watching games while enjoying a beer. One unique dining experience is the chef's table, where a small group of guests enjoys a multi-course meal prepared by the executive chef. It's an additional cost but provides insight into the ship's culinary operations while delivering restaurant-quality food. Pool time on MSC Magnifica centers around two main pool areas, each with its own personality. The main pool deck sits midship and features a large swimming pool surrounded by plenty of lounge chairs. This area gets busy during sea days, but the pool is big enough that it doesn't feel overcrowded even when the ship is full. The solarium pool offers a more relaxed atmosphere with a retractable glass roof that makes it usable even in cooler weather or light rain. This adults-only area includes 2 hot tubs and comfortable seating areas where you can actually have a conversation without competing with pool games and loud music. Both pool areas feature bars where you can grab drinks without leaving the deck, and there's usually some form of poolside entertainment during the day. The deck chairs are comfortable, and there are usually enough available, though prime spots fill up quickly on sunny sea days. The ship doesn't have water slides or elaborate splash zones like some newer vessels, but that's actually part of its appeal for travelers who prefer a more refined pool experience. The focus is on relaxation rather than high-energy water activities. One nice touch is the outdoor movie screen that occasionally shows films during evening hours. It's a romantic way to end a day at sea, watching a classic movie under the stars while lounging by the pool. When it comes to staying active and entertained, MSC Magnifica offers more options than you might expect from a ship this size. The fitness center features modern cardio equipment and weight machines, with large windows providing ocean views during your workout. The gym isn't huge, but it's well equipped and rarely crowded. The ship includes a jogging track that circles the upper deck, perfect for morning runs with ocean views. It takes about 12 laps to complete a mile, and the track is well maintained with a good surface for running or walking. For sports enthusiasts, there's a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, and a mini golf course that's actually quite challenging. The bowling alley features 4 lanes and is a popular evening activity, especially on sea days when weather might not cooperate for deck activities. The theater presents nightly shows that range from Broadway-style productions to magic acts and comedy shows. The production values are impressive for a cruise ship, with elaborate costumes, professional lighting, and talented performers. Shows typically run about an hour and are included in your cruise fare. The casino offers slot machines, blackjack, roulette, and poker tables. It's not as large as casinos on some megaships, but it provides enough variety to keep gaming enthusiasts happy. The dealers are professional, and the atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming. For those interested in learning something new, the ship offers cooking classes, wine tastings, and dance lessons. These activities usually carry an additional fee, but provide hands-on experiences that can be highlights of the cruise. The spa on MSC Magnifica deserves recognition as one of the ship's premium features. The Area Spa spans multiple decks and offers an extensive menu of treatments from massages to facials to body wraps. The spa staff is well-trained, and the treatment rooms are designed to promote relaxation with soft lighting and calming music. The thermal suite includes a sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas with heated tile loungers. Access to the thermal suite requires an additional fee, but it's worth it for the peaceful environment and therapeutic benefits. The suite also features a thalassotherapy pool with different water temperatures and jet systems. Spa treatments are pricey, as they are on most cruise ships, but the quality justifies the cost. Popular treatments include hot stone massages, couples massages, and various facial treatments using high-end products. Booking treatments early in the cruise is recommended since appointments fill up quickly. The fitness program includes yoga classes, Pilates sessions, and aerobics classes led by certified instructors. Most classes are complimentary, though some specialized sessions may carry a small fee. The yoga classes held on deck at sunrise are particularly popular and provide a serene way to start the day. There's also a beauty salon offering hair services, manicures, and pedicures. The stylists are skilled and can handle everything from simple trims to special occasion styling for formal nights. Families with children will find MSC Magnifica well-equipped to keep younger guests entertained and engaged. The Kids Club, called Mini Club, welcomes children ages 3 to 17 and provides age-appropriate activities throughout the day. The facility includes game rooms, craft areas, and outdoor play spaces. The teen area features video games, air hockey, and comfortable seating areas where teenagers can hang out and meet other young cruisers. Supervised activities include scavenger hunts, pool games, and movie nights specifically designed for different age groups. Family-friendly staterooms are available with configurations that include bunk beds or connecting rooms for larger families. These rooms often feature fun decorations and amenities that appeal to children while still providing comfort for parents. The ship's entertainment includes family-friendly shows in the theater, and many of the deck activities are designed with families in mind. The mini golf course and basketball court are popular with kids and parents alike. Children's menus are available in all dining venues, featuring familiar favorites alongside healthier options. The buffet restaurant includes a dedicated kids section with pizza, pasta, and other child-friendly foods available throughout the day. Babysitting services are available for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only activities or romantic dinners. The staff is trained in childcare and provides a safe, fun environment for younger children. The ports of call and shore excursions available on MSC Magnifica cruises vary depending on the specific itinerary, but the ship typically sails Mediterranean routes that showcase some of Europe's most beautiful destinations. Popular ports include Barcelona, Rome, Naples, and various Greek islands. Shore excursions range from cultural tours of ancient sites to food and wine experiences that highlight local specialties. The ship's excursion staff does a good job of offering options for different activity levels and interests, from walking tours of historic city centers to more adventurous activities like hiking or water sports. One advantage of cruising with MSC is their knowledge of Mediterranean ports, since it's their home territory. The excursion guides are typically local experts who provide insider knowledge about history, culture, and the best places to visit during limited port time. Independent exploration is also possible at most ports, and the ship's staff provides helpful information about transportation options, must-see attractions, and safety considerations for each destination. Port talks held the evening before each stop give passengers practical information about what to expect. Some itineraries include overnight stays in major ports like Barcelona or Rome, allowing passengers more time to explore these incredible cities. These extended port visits are particularly valuable for first-time visitors who want to see major attractions without feeling rushed. The ship also offers cultural enrichment programs that help passengers understand the history and significance of the places they're visiting. These talks are usually led by guest lecturers with expertise in art, history, or archaeology. Taking an overall look at MSC Magnifica, this ship succeeds in delivering a solid cruise experience that balances elegance with accessibility. The Italian influence is evident throughout, from the design aesthetic to the culinary offerings, creating an atmosphere that feels distinctly European rather than generically international. The ship's size works in its favor, being large enough to offer diverse amenities and dining options while remaining small enough to navigate efficiently and avoid the overwhelming crowds found on megaships. This creates a more intimate cruise experience where you're likely to see familiar faces and develop relationships with fellow passengers and crew members. Service standards are generally good, with crew members who are friendly and attentive without being intrusive. The Italian hospitality shines through in small details like remembering your preferred drink or taking time to explain menu items. There can be occasional language barriers with some crew members, but the key service positions are staffed with English-speaking personnel. The ship shows its age in some areas, particularly in the cabin decor and some public spaces that could benefit from updating. However, MSC has done a good job maintaining the vessel and making improvements during dry dock periods. The bones of the ship are solid and the overall condition is good. Value for money is one of MSC Magnifica's strongest selling points. The cruise fares are typically lower than comparable ships from other major cruise lines, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers who still want a quality experience. What truly sets MSC Magnifica apart from its competitors is the authentic Italian cruise experience it provides. While other cruise lines might offer Italian restaurants or Italian-themed events, MSC delivers genuine Italian hospitality, cuisine, and style as the foundation of the entire cruise experience. The ship's design incorporates Italian artistic elements throughout, from the Murano glass sculptures in the atrium to the artwork displayed in corridors and public spaces. It's like taking a floating piece of Italy with you as you explore the Mediterranean. The culinary program stands out significantly, with chefs who understand Italian cuisine beyond just pasta and pizza. The fresh ingredients, proper cooking techniques, and attention to presentation rival many land-based Italian restaurants. The daily fresh pasta and authentic gelato alone make the cruise worthwhile for food lovers. MSC's partnership with Cirque du Soleil for some evening entertainment brings world-class performances to see. These shows feature the acrobatic excellence and artistic creativity that Cirque du Soleil is known for, adapted for the cruise ship environment. The ship's itinerary planning takes advantage of MSC's deep knowledge of Mediterranean ports, often including lesser-known destinations alongside the popular tourist centers. This provides a more comprehensive exploration of the region than you might get with other cruise lines. Another unique aspect is the European passenger mix, which creates a more international atmosphere than you'll find on ships that cater primarily to American markets. This cultural diversity adds richness to the cruise experience and provides opportunities to meet people from different backgrounds. For business travelers or groups, MSC Magnifica offers several meeting spaces and conference facilities. The ship includes a dedicated conference center with audiovisual equipment and flexible seating arrangements that can accommodate groups of various sizes. The business center provides computers, printing services, and internet access for passengers who need to stay connected during their cruise. While the internet speeds aren't as fast as land-based connections, they're adequate for email and basic business needs. Private dining rooms are available for corporate groups or special celebrations, with customized menus and dedicated service staff. These spaces can be configured for presentations, meetings, or social events depending on the group's needs. The ship's staff has experience working with corporate groups and can coordinate special arrangements like welcome receptions, team-building activities, or shore excursion planning for business travelers. Guest experience highlights from MSC Magnifica consistently focus on the warmth of Italian hospitality and the attention to detail that makes passengers feel welcomed rather than just processed. Many guests mention the dining room staff who remember their preferences after just one meal, or the housekeeping team that goes beyond basic cleaning to create a comfortable living space. One frequently mentioned experience is the captain's welcome reception, where passengers have the opportunity to meet the captain and senior officers in an elegant setting with champagne and appetizers. It's a tradition that adds a touch of old-world cruise ship glamour to the modern experience. Passengers often highlight the cooking classes offered on board, where the ship's chefs teach participants how to prepare authentic Italian dishes. These hands-on experiences provide lasting memories and practical skills that guests can take home with them. The ship's art collection, featuring works by Italian artists, creates an unexpected cultural experience as passengers discover new pieces during their daily walks around the vessel. Many guests enjoy the informal art tours that provide background on the artists and their work. Special occasion celebrations on MSC Magnifica receive particular attention, with the crew going out of their way to make anniversaries, birthdays, and other milestones memorable. This might include special desserts, room decorations, or personalized service that shows genuine care for passenger satisfaction. The evening entertainment often includes guest performers from Italy, bringing authentic music, dance, and cultural presentations that provide insight into Italian traditions and contemporary culture. These performances offer educational value alongside entertainment. Overall, MSC Magnifica delivers a cruise experience that successfully combines Italian elegance with modern amenities and good value. While it may not have the newest bells and whistles of recently launched ships, it offers something increasingly rare in the cruise industry: authentic character and genuine hospitality that creates lasting memories for passengers seeking a refined yet accessible cruise experience.